Hello, so I am about to explain you how our code is organized and what we have done. So this is the test CPP code that moves the snake by x-axis to 1.4 units, and essentially this is the code that was provided to us in the manual. We just changed some variables over here to move it to exactly 1.4 units, and the demonstration is here in the video. So as you can see here, it starts moving along the red line, which is an x-axis, and it moves to 1.4 units in the gazebo, and then it stops. So next task is to move in a rectangular way, which is shown in this code. And here essentially we start from the center point. So let's imagine that the robot is located here. We first move 1.5 units along the y-axis. So imagine that this is an x and this is y, and we move along the y-axis to negative 0.5 units, and then we go down on the x-axis, as you can see in this part of the code, and then we move 1 unit along the y-axis in a positive direction, after which we complete the rectangle in this manner, and it can be shown in the code when we change the target position of x and y respectively. So yeah, the demonstration is also shown in the video. So here it started already drawing the rectangle, and it just goes. We can speed it up. Here it completed drawing the rectangle. So, and the last part is drawing the circle, and we have the third part of the code that is shown here. And for the circle, we first set the radius of the curvature. So using that radius, we also indicate the center point of the circle, and then we start a while loop, which depends on this variable angle, and it iterates every movement by some angle. So we used an iteration of 30 degrees, as you can see over here, for each movement. And when the degrees reaches and gets over 360 degrees, meaning it completes the circle, it stops the movement. And the cosine and sine variables over here I used to set the target position points for the x and y axes respectively. And the movement is shown also in the demo video over here. So as you can see, it starts moving in a circular motion, and then towards the end it completes the circle. That's it. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.